Guys, limiting and excess reagents. Okay, guys, I just want to explain this for you quickly. Okay, so let's just take a quickly scenario where we want to make, for instance, the standard coffee. Okay, let's say standard coffee um, says that the menu says that you need 2 spoons of sugar, all right, for it to be standard. And let's say it's a I don't know, chocolate or whatever, hot chocolate, and you need for every 2 spoons of sugar you need also 1 spoon of chocolate. Okay, chocolate. Okay, that's what you need. So every 2 spoons of sugar you need one chocolate. So if now they say make a hot chocolate, you are given the ingredients. You are given, let's say, 6 chocolate. Okay, chocolate. That means you need how many? You need 12 sugar. Okay, because you just multiply by 2. Okay, now here is the case also here. So here is when you now given a reaction. So I just decided to take this example of nitrogen gas and hydrogen gas to give nitric acid. Okay, so that one, before you can proceed, you need to balance your equation, and I think that you need 2 to make 2 nitrogen, and you have 6 hydrogen, you need 3 there. Okay, that is a balanced reaction. Now, also you are given in a test or whatever the activity you are doing, you are given, this is given, you are given, let's say, 12 grams, 12 moles of nitrogen, and let's just say 10 moles of hydrogen. Okay, hydrogen gas. Okay, so let's just say this is hydrogen and the other one is nitrogen. Okay, just for me to be able to explain to you nicely. Okay, now guys, this is the case. So when you have to now approve or identify which one is a limiting and which one is an excess. So if you find one that is a limiting, that means the other one is excess. Okay, so you pick one. Let's just pick this one, for instance. Okay, we pick the first case where we are given 12 moles of hydrogen gas. All right, so the first thing you do, guys, for solution, so you need to first write the ratio. Your ratio says for every 1 nitrogen you need 3 hydrogens. Okay, so here we are given what? We are given 12 moles of hydrogen. So that means 12. How many do I need if I have 12 moles? You don't know. Okay, so to solve that, you cross multiply. You get 3 times, which is 3x, and then you get 12. Okay, so and then you divide by 3, x equals to 4. Okay, 4 moles. That means, guys, if you have 12, you are given 12 hydrogen, you need 4 moles of nitrogen. All right, so how many you are given for nitrogen? Remember, you are given 10. That means you have more than enough. Okay, that means in this case nitrogen is in excess, okay, or is excess. Okay, and then the other one obviously is going to be a limiting. Therefore, if the question says which one is a limiting, you say hydrogen is limiting. Okay, because the other one is excess. All right, that's simply like that. Okay, that is the first case, guys, when you choose to use the 12 moles of hydrogen. Okay, remember we said the limiting is hydrogen. Let's quickly now do a case where we decide to use nitrogen. Again, same information, guys. Okay, you say now, okay, I'm gonna use this one instead of that one, instead of hydrogen. I'm gonna use nitrogen. So again, more ratio is to 3. So now what do you have? You have 10. If you have 10 moles of nitrogen, that means you need how many for hydrogen? Okay, you cross multiply. That means x equals to x times 1, and then 10 times 3 equals to 30. That means if you are given 10 moles of nitrogen, you need 30 moles of hydrogen. How many you are given for hydrogen? 12. It's not 80. That's why it's limiting. Therefore, hydrogen is limiting. Okay. Once again, guys, limiting reagent. Okay. Or reagent. Okay. I hope I make sense, guys. You choose one of the two that is given. They can give you guys in the form of grams. Even in that case, you must first convert them to moles.